Hi everyone, my name is Maulida Azzaroh. I'm from Diploma Nutrition, class regular B. In this video, I will make a food. The name of food is cornet tofu. Let's go! The ingredients that you need is carrot, scallions, garlic, pepper, salt, tofu, coconut oil, egg, and starch. First step is cut the carrot into small dice. Then cut the scallions into fine pieces. Smash the tofu until it becomes smooth. Then add the garlic, salt, and pepper and grind until smooth. Prepare a large enough bowl, add tofu, carrots, scallions, egg, and ground spices, then mix until well blended. Put into another container, then steam it in the pan for about 10 until 15 minutes. Remove the cornet from the pan, then let it cool. Prepare a bowl, then add the starch and beaten eggs into it and mix well. Cut the cornet. Put the coconut oil in the pan, heat it. Fry the cornet until brown or until cooked. When it is cooked, immediately drain the cornet from the pan. Cooked cornet tofu ready to serve.